Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Hungerstation app keeps stopping. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Hungerstation app, then tap on app info option here. Once you tap on this, then here tap on storage usage option on the top, and now tap on clear cache, and now clear data, and then tap on OK. Now the cache and data has been cleared, so close this app, and we are going to the next step. So the next step is go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS, and then tap on search option in the bottom, and now tap on search bar on the top, and here type Hungerstation and search it. Now you can see Hungerstation app, and here you can see open button. So here you will see update button option, so simply tap on the update button to update this app to the latest version. So this will fix the issue for you. So hope this video will be beneficial for you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.